A book.
A Bible.
A Bible? How you know?
I know because I'm a grown-up. Now today is Tuesday. I literally had the craziest, busiest week ever last week. So I'm so happy to have some downtime. I've been wanting to make this prayer box for the longest now. I really wanted to do it as a vision board. So instead of doing a vision board for the new year, I wanted to do a prayer box, which would be little notes and prayers to myself, and I would just include them in the box. So I bought these stickers and some other things to decorate the box a while ago. So I'm going to just go ahead and do that in this video. Y'all like my swoop? My mama used to always wear her hair like this, and I just feel like because my forehead is big, this just really complements my face. I had a braid this weekend, a long braid, and it was so cute. That's about to be my new little go-to style. Let me know if y'all want me to do a demonstration, a tutorial on how I do my little swoop and braid, because it's definitely a look. So yeah, I pretty much been in a really peaceful place, like avoiding drama, negativity, anything that's draining. I just been in my own little world, and I love it here. I love it here. Definitely want to show y'all my little area that I put together for myself. I'm going to do that right now. So this is like my little sanctuary. I have all of my special things that keep me calm and keep me peaceful. And my aunt bought me this. This is like my peace altar, basically, that I just put together. And it has all of my favorite things and people that keep me calm. And I made this little affirmation candle. This is a baby picture of me that my grandma always had on her desk. All of my spiritual things over here. My grandma had this little sign next to her bed, so I was super excited to get that. This watch my dad gave me when I turned 16. Some other stuff from my grandma, my graduation gift, my pen when I graduated. This is my mom and her mom. This was a gift from my hubby, and I love it. This candle is from Walmart. It's so amazing. They really snap with this candle line. I just really love this picture. Sorry, I'm about to. This is a picture of my grandma and her 18 kids. As you can see, that's my dad right there. He is the 18th. So I love that picture. My sister got this for me. I don't know if you can really see it. It says much love, Ganny, and it has her birthday and the year that she passed with her ashes in here. So I like to keep these necklaces here because they all mean something very important to me. They're very symbolic to me. If you ever notice, I always have on a little necklace Symbol is so important to me because my mom used to always say I love you for infinity. So infinity signs mean a lot to me. And of course, if you know me, you know I love Nefertiti. She's right here. Have my Florida water, my crystals. I'll do another video on my self-care products and things like that, but I just wanted to show y'all that since we were talking about peace. I just wanted to show y'all my little area I put together to keep me peaceful, to keep me balanced, to keep me calm. Y'all always ask, how do I stay so calm? Especially the video with me and Deuce, and I was just not yelling because I've been working on staying peaceful in every situation. So I just wanted to show y'all that. And if you wanted to put together your own, be sure to tag me and let me know that you put together your little peace altar. That's what we can call it. But yeah, let me know if you decide to put together a peaceful area in your house yourself. So I just printed out my picture. It says Sequoia's prayer box. I keep saying creative box. That would be cute. And this is what I use to evenly cut my paper for all of my craft projects. I'll link it down below. So like my vinyl, cards, posters, stuff like that. If you want a clean cut, this is amazing. And of course, I always keep my scrap paper because you never know when you might need to pull something together. Like even these little pieces, I can use these on envelopes to mail my packages, and I can just write on here, and it's a sticker label, so you can just stick that right on your package and you don't even have to buy extra labels. Super frugal.
You stack the cups up.
And I use this quote, or scripture I should say, and turn it around. Therefore I tell you, whatever you ask in prayer, believe that you have received it and it will be yours. Why are you laughing? Oh, okay, because I'm like, you cannot be laughing. This is a serious matter. So cute. Okay, y'all making a lot of commotion in my video.
Purple, yep. Alright, hit it one more time then.
Okay.
Boom.
And these labels have a slit, so you can just peel it right off.
What happened?
They tested again today on the results tomorrow.
Oh, no.
And they know by Monday.
I don't know why they don't do blue. I was wondering that too.
Probably be charged.
No, I got the two green lights on there. That's the
They tell you.
It usually be 3.
You want to help me? Where's the stickers? You just threw the stickers. You have to get them so you can put it on there. And I'm going to put this. Yeah, we need to go to the store.
Why?
Wait, take this bottle that we're going to.
Oh,
I'll just put that right there. I didn't want to do too much, so I kept it simple. And Deuce
So
is
you
going
get
to
to-
help me put the stickers that I bought from, okay, Hobby Lobby.
Ooh, So Hobby Lobby has fire on it.
Hobby Lobby has fire on it?
Yeah. I saw Hobby Lobby on fire.
Oh, yeah, that one.
I want that one.
You want to cross?
Yeah. I want it.
Okay.
I'm putting it right. I'm putting it right here.
Let's put it right here.
Okay. I put it right here, I guess. Right there.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. Let's put it this. Got it.
Got it?
Yeah. Let's put it right.
Let's put it in the corner.
Right
Oh,
here.
yeah. That's fine.
And
That's a Bible.
Bible.
Yep.
Mm.
Are you going to put things in my prayer box? I'm going to say, thank you, God.
Yeah.
No.
I put this in the.
That needs to go on the back.
I'll put it right.
Up, turn it so straight. Yep.
It's gonna be a castle.
It's a church.
A church.
Yep.
How about this?
That's a dove.
A duck.
A dove.
I don't like those.
You don't like doves?
No.
They're so peaceful.
No, sometimes they eat me. Sometimes when I'm being bad, they eat me.
Well, why are you being bad?
I saw a bad one. Yes, I saw a bad one.
Okay, well, you shouldn't be bad, okay?
Okay, I'll try and be bad. I saw a bad one.
Put it right here.
A book.
A Bible.
A Bible? How you know?
I know because I'm a grown-up. And I have a Bible upstairs. Do you want me to show you my Bible?
No.
Put that right there. Oh, where do you want to put that? Oh, wait. Slow down. I want that right there.
Over here. And with this is the name. And
Wait,
this is the name.
What's that? It says faith.
How
How do you know? Isn't that girl in your class, her name is Faith?
Fake?
Yeah, her name is Faith.
No, his name is Fake.
Fake?
Yeah.
I'm almost certain her name is Faith.
You talk about you almost saying fake?
Faith.
Faith?
Yep, I like that. That's a nice place to put it.
And
Where are we going to put that cross?
right
The
here.
last one.
This is gonna be right here.
Right here. No more space.
This way.
In the middle.
Of course, I'll put it right here.
Let's move something.
No!
Okay, you gonna put it right there?
Yeah.
Relax, honey buddy.
Oh, we're in the middle.
Right in the middle.
We done.
We are done with the prayer
It's
box.
no more.
It's no more. Now we need to put a prayer.
On my book. I have a box too. I have a box too.
Okay.
I
That
have
works.
a box too. Oh, ooh, ooh,
We are done. If you do a prayer box, tag us and let us see how yours turned out. We're going to fill these up for the whole year. I saw you. Oh yeah, this is our prayer box.
Mom, I got a prayer box.
You do?
Yeah, I work.
Where do you work?
Daddy. I have a burger. It's not a church of cheese. I got for the holiday. I got that box.
Come here. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome. Of course I did everything.
Of course you did everything. We did everything. What goes inside? Prayers.
Prayers.
Here is my prayer box. I've been using it for officially a week now. I cut up these little pieces of paper so that they can already be ready to go. And here are some of my prayers. I even wrote the dates in the corner. So yeah.